Blackbeard's Cruises specializes in exciting liveaboard dive vacations to the Bahamas Out Islands. Their 3 sailboats, Sea Explorer, Morning Star, and Pirate's Lady, depart Nassau every Saturday for a week of liveaboard diving in the Exumas and southwest Eleuthera and in the central Bahamas. These cruises offer some of the most diverse variety of dive experiences in the entire Caribbean. The camaraderie and adventure on these dive trips keep divers coming back year after year. Here are the top 3 things that make Blackbeard's Cruises the best dive trips of their kind. Number 1. Best budget dive trip. Blackbeard's Cruises offers the best budget dive trips ever, with 1 week of Great Bahamas diving priced at just $939. For that low price, you'll get to explore an amazing variety of dive sites, including deep blue holes, reefs at all depths, walls teeming with marine life, swift drift dives, and even a shark dive. Blackbeard's motto is twice the fun for half the price, and you won't get a better bang out of your diving dollar anywhere else. Number 2. High level of camaraderie. On Blackbeard's dive trips, you'll meet an outgoing group of like-minded adventure travelers on their 65-foot sloops. Everyone is friendly, and the trip is perfect for single travelers since you'll get to know everyone really quickly on board. Even better, the crew is there to make everyone feel included and lead them on their merry way. Number 3. Shark dives. There's no more adrenaline-pumping dive experience than getting a close-up view of feeding sharks. Blackbeard's Cruises offers just such a dive every week. During their shark dives, a frozen chumsicle is lowered from the surface, so divers are always at a safe distance from the food and the feeding sharks. The primary sharks seen are Caribbean reef sharks and nurse sharks, so there's no need to be scared. Blackbeard's Cruises has been safely diving with sharks in the Bahamas for over 30 years.